Good morning, students. We had already discussed chapter number 2, population dynamics. We had seen what is distribution of population in the world, underpopulation and overpopulation, then distribution of population. Then we had discussed impact of overpopulation and underpopulation on the society. We just last day we had seen impact of overpopulation. There are three impacts. What is that? The first one, depletion of natural resources, degradation of environment, rise in the unemployment. We had seen. Now today what we are going to do is we are going to discuss impact of underpopulation. What are the impacts of underpopulation? Listen, what is the first one? Lower standard of living. Underpopulation endanger lower standard of living as a result of inadequate labor force that would conveniently boost output and production of goods and services. Listen, if there is no people in an area, what happens? No production will happen. What will happen? It will surely will affect what production of goods and services. Yes or no? So what all things? Lack of adequate manpower, underutilization of resources, lack of people to defend the country. Many reasons are there. See, lack of adequate manpower. Underpopulation results to shortage of labor with the attendant effect of low investment in the investment and income. If less people, less manpower, what will happen? Investment will be very less. If investment will be very less, what will happen? Production will be also very less. So that is the main effect of what? Underpopulation. Second one, underutilization of resources. What is underutilization? Sometimes production may be more. Listen, resources are highly underutilized in a country with low population. Underutilized means lot of things are there, but what happens normally? As there is no people to use that things produced, what happens? Things will not be sold. So underpopulation, the resources are highly underutilized in country with low population. Things are more, but people are less to use it. That is the what underutilization of resources. Now third one, a lack of people to defend the country. Main important thing. If people are not, if army is not there, people are not there to defend the country, what happens? It is very difficult to protect the country. At times of war and emergency, a country might find it difficult to mobilize enough people to defend it. Any case, for example, in the case of corona itself, nowadays every country has affected by corona. But you see, if a country has less population or underpopulation, what happen? It will be difficult for that country to defend corona virus, because there will not be, if proper army is not there, proper police is not there, proper medication is not there, if less nurses are there or health workers are there, what happens? It will be very difficult to defend the country. Now that is what a lack of people to defend the country. Not only protecting the country, maybe army, everything, every case. Okay. Now factors affecting the population of a place. What are the factors affecting the population of a place? Mainly there are three factors, that better food supplies, availability of health facilities, cheap goods and other things due to industrialization. These are the main points. Okay. Now see, the population change refers to a change in the number of people during specific time. The world population has not been stable. The world population has not been stable. It has increased manifold. That means that manifold means many times increased, doubled, we can say. This actually due to the changes in the number of births and deaths. Now you know deaths are very less, but births are more. That is the main reason for the population. So very important that what will happen as the population for an extremely long period of human history until 80s. What happened? The world population grew steadily but slowly. Till 80s, what happened? In the beginning of 19th century, population growth was there, but it was slowly. But after 19th century or in the beginning of 20th century also, the population increased so much. So that will be difficult. Yes or no? So these factors affecting the population of a place, there are many. So better food supplies, available health facilities, and cheap goods and other things due to industrialization. So this is the main reasons for what these are the main three factors affecting the population of a place. So natural growth, difference between the birth rate, death rate, and migration are the main factors responsible for the population change on a area. So you just go through this things and understand. Okay, thank you.